Okay, now by this time you've got pretty dirty water because you've just done all your blinds. So I've given myself another fresh bowl of water here to work with another capful of disinfectant and the warm water that we talked about. So when you're spring cleaning like this and you're doing a thorough job, you're probably going to get through about 3 or 4 different changes of water in your basin. But what we're going to do is we're just going to cover all the little bits and pieces that you don't think about when you typically clean. So any kind of light fixture or electrical outlet, think about it. With your hands, you're plugging things in there, you're turning the light switches off and on. So just go around the room. Obviously don't go anywhere near the inside, but you wanna get the dust off of the outside of the plate, especially at the top. And there's another one here, so I'm just gonna go around the room and just dust and disinfect at the same time the areas around the plug sockets where your fingers touch and your light switches also.